Hello, welcome everyone. This is Rajesh Khanal, and we are going to talk about relational and logical operator. These are yes, these are relational operator greater than, equal to than, or greater than and equal to, not or not operator. These are the relational operator. Then for the logical operator that we have created truth table in the mathematics like that, 0, 1, true, false like that, or and not operator are the logical operator. You can see that like that. Then let's start with MATLAB. Okay, okay, here we are. Come on. Then let's start. Let's give the one condition 10 equal to 20. What I am writing is true or not? Can 10 be equal to 20? No. Let's see what the MATLAB gives. It gives the value 0. Let's try again. 20 equal to 20. Now we give the value right. 20 equal to 20. Then MATLAB gives 1. So we can guess that from that example, MATLAB takes 0 as a false and gives 1 as a true value. Let's try another thing. 5 equal to 5, then it gives the value of 1 like that. So MATLAB always gives the value of 1 like we did in binary system. 0 is for false and 1 is for true. Let's give the expression x equal to 10 into 2, 10 into 12, which is less than 100. 100 plus 9. Then as you can see that 12 into 10 is 120, which is less than 109. It will give the value of 0. Let's change the equation. Gives the greater than. Then it will give the value 1 because it is true. And to talk about the sign plus and this greater than sign, which goes first? Always know that the arithmetic operator has the higher precedence than the logical and relational operator. So first 100 plus 9 is calculated, then it compares the greater or less. So know that precedence of the arithmetic variable is always greater than logical variable. We can know that from help precedence. Yes. Firstly, that in the bracket like that, then these additional subtraction logical operators are below the arithmetic operator like that. You can see the logical operator are below the relational operator. First there are the arithmetic operator, then relational operator, then the logical operator. Then let's take a look at this function called check edit. Okay, here is our editor. Yes, then give the function test, give the variable x. Okay, then carry out the if statement. If x print f print f f print f f print f, use the percentage, keep sign true, else print f. Let's save the function. Let's save the function. Sorry, let's give the value x. Okay, and let's give the value x. Sorry. Then let's test the function. Give the variable 2. Yes. Then in MATLAB give the 2 is true. Let's give another number. Test 10. It gives also true. Let's give the value 0. Then it shows that 0 is false. Give the another value 1000. It is also true. Give the negative value negative 1000. It is also true. So we know that from this MATLAB always gives 0 is the false and other non-zero number are the true value. The normal calculation MATLAB gives 1 for the true value and 0 for the false value. Let's test another 0.0001. Okay, then it is also true however value is, but if it is not a 0 then it is true. Then let's try relational operator on the array. Give the value array. Let's make it smaller. Okay, give the 2 4 6 8 greater than 3 6 1 1 2 1. Okay, let's calculate. That's wow. These are the result of MATLAB. 2 is not greater than 3, so it is the false value, so it gives 0. 4 is also less than 6, so it also print out 0 for the false value, but 6 is greater than 2, so it prints the 1 for the true value, and also 8 is greater than 1, it gives the 1 to indicate it is the true value. Let's try another example. 6 9. Then 1 2 4 0 5. As you can see that all the numbers are greater than second array, so it prints all the value 0 because we give the false statement. Let's give the number only one number. Let's give the 4. Yes, give value 7. Then it evaluate the first is true conditions and the last third are false condition. So in the array condition it compares the element to element, one to one numbers. Then let's create the one another statement. Let's sum value 10 4 8 6 7 100. Okay, which is equal to, give the entry matrix 3 4 9 7 20 189. Okay, then what will be the answer? We give the 1 4 is equal to 4 and 7 equal to 7. Only two statements are correct, other are incorrect, so it gives the value 2 because only here comes the matrix. Let's check the matrix. Okay, yes, it gives the matrix 0 1 0 1 0, so it sums all the element, that is 1 plus 1 equal to 2. And let's test another matrix 3 is less than or equal to 3. It is true because it is equal to, like that. So that's how we can use the relational operator, which are these. These are the relational operators that we can use. Yes, then let's go for logical operator, and operator, or operator, not operator. We use two and operator and two or operator for that. As we have known from this example, non-zero value is true and zero value is false. So MATLAB always return one first, one for true. And we will use this operator for the and or and not command. Then let's go for MATLAB. Clear. Let's make another function. If x is equal to y, and use the double and command. Z. Okay. A equal to 1. Print a equal to minus 1. A equal to minus 1. Else a equal to 0. Then end the function. Yes. Save the function. Okay. Let's go for that order. Give 1 2 2. Here we can see that it is in increasing order, so it goes for first statement. So give the value 1. Let's give the another example. 1 to 5. Okay, it also gives 1 because it is in increasing order. Let's give value in decreasing order. 1 2 3. Okay, it is in decreasing order. Oh, so it should print minus 1. Yes, we can see that. Let's give the value 1 3 2. So it is not in decreasing order or it increasing order, so it will print 0 like that. So that's how we can calculate the AND operator, because we need to satisfy both statement. One is this and second is this, and it will only print out the answer. Go for the second function. Give the function smallest x y z. If x equal to or y, and give the or x z equal to 1, else a equal to 0. In the we have the or operator, that is this in our function. So let's go for smallest. Print 1 2 2. Here we can see that one is x is also smaller by y and z, so it will give the value 0. Or we can give the value 7. So x is greater than both the value, it will gives sorry let's yeah okay, let's run the function. Yeah, x is greater than both y and z, it prints the value 1. Let's give the value 1 is greater than, give the value 9. X is greater than y but smaller than z, so uh, one is true, one is false, but due to the or operator it prints 1. Yes, like that. Let's clear the window and let's try some expression directly into the command window. One is 1 n n command equal to 5. Oh, then it gives the value 1 because one non-zero number are always signify the true value. 0 and n function equal to any number 7. It gives the value 0 because 0 signify the false value. For the OR operator, give the 9 double 4. If you give the value 1, give the value 0 double and 1. It also gives the value 1. 0 0. It OR operator only gives the 0 value. Let's give the value -2, -2, which gives the not 2 because 2 is the true value, not 2 is 0 value. Let's try not 0. Let's try not operator and 0, which gives the value 1 because false to true, like that. If we give value 5 plus 6 and it gives value 0 because whatever the sum is, which signify the true value, and opposite of that is false value, which is 0. Let's give the variable d is equal to negative of, we will give the 2 command, 2 equal to 4, which is true. Okay, and signify or command 0 and 5. Then let's check that what will be the answer. It gives the value 0. Let's change the function, then it will give the value 1 because here is or operator, here is already, this is also the true and this is the false, but one is true, that the sum always comes out to be true. Let's give the another example. A is equal to 3 into and gives the value 0 is less than 3, an operator 10 is less than 15. Okay, what is the answer that we will get? It is a true function, so it gives one value, 3 into 1 equal to 3. Let's give the, let's reverse the value. Okay, now it also, it can give, it will give false because their number is, this is statement is false, like that. Now let's try for the, array. Let's give the matrix 1 4 5 8. Okay, then in the array matrix we only use one sign is enough. Let's give the value 2 90 0 4 0. Sorry, let's go. Then n operator 1 and 1, 1 and n, these are the all positive numbers, so it gives the value 1, but for the 0 it gives the value 0. Okay, let's try changing the number equal to 0. Okay, then like you can set the answer, then go for or operator. Now it provide all the value 1 because there are one side always equal. Let's try for like that. Give the only one array, give the array in only one side, 3 4 5 0 0 0. Then let's see to each compared to all the value in the array, 1 1 1 1 1 because it is using or sign. Let's give the sign, and now if you can see that Thank you for today.